everyone. My name is Parsha, and today we will cover industrial computing and networking products that will be used in machine vision and iFactory industries. Today we will cover this webinar in 4 parts. First part, we will explain you our Advantech and Moxa products overview. Second part, we will focus on which segment we have to focus. Third portion, we will discuss you real case study, what we have done, few application we will showcase you, and fourth portion, we will, if you have any question and query, then we will answer that. These are our product range of industrial computing and networking solution for machine vision and iFactory solution. Industrial computers, networking products, data acquisition card, remote I/O modules, software, all-in-one PCs, rack mount CPUs and monitor, and embedded box PC. This is our product profile. That industrial computing, there are 3 types of industrial computing will be covered. First one is embedded PCs and machine vision PCs. Second type of industrial PCs will be rack mount industrial grade PCs like 1U, 2U and 4U. Third type of industrial PC is a panel PC, all-in-one touchscreen type PC, just look like an HMI. The size of touch panel PC starting from 7 inch to 27 inch. Based on customer requirement and their application, we can select multiple models we have in our basket. Apart from that computing systems, we have high-speed data acquisition card like PCI, PCI Express and USB based DAC cards. Remote I/O modules we have Modbus TCP/IP, Ethernet IP, Profinet 485 remote I/O modules. Some applications physical wiring is not possible unless remote I/O modules. We have all-in-one touch PC as well as industrial grade monitor. That starting range for screen is 10 inch to 21 inch. Resistive and capacitive both type of industrial monitor we have in our basket. For software side, we have 3 types of software are there. Web Access SCADA, Advantech SCADA is there. Second one is our Lubi based customized software, that is LabVIEW based. And third one is a OE and MES based software for dedicatedly industry for factory 4.0 and OE and MES application for machine vision and factory solution application. First of all, we will cover what are the basic products we can offer for machine vision and industrial factory solution. First one is AIIS series, that is a vision embedded box PC. What the main features of AIIS series is that there are 4 inbuilt PoE gig Ethernet ports are there. Apart from 4 PoE ports, there are 1 Gbps Ethernet LAN port are there, and 4 USB 3.0 USB ports are there. 4 serial COM ports are there. 1 PCI Express slots are there for future expansion. So if any vision application, if customers have multiple cameras they want to connect, so this PC is a very ideal PC for their application. In this PC, 6 cameras they can connect, up to 6 cameras they can connect, and if more than 6 cameras are there, then 1 PCI Express slots are there via print paper card. Additional 4 ports they can add. This PC comes with a multiple processor connected i5, i7, i9. Also, it will be support up to 32 GB RAM and storage up to 4 TB. This PC also come with RAID functionality. If any customer required the data importance and all things are there, then this PC is also ideal for that RAID functionality and all that. Second series for vision applications is edge enable fanless industrial box PC. That series is Uno 348. The main features of Uno 348 is there. One, it is a expansible modules are there available. So if any customers require their deck cards or anything they want to expand in same PC, so it is possible in Uno 348. Uno 348 series PC come with a TPM modules. It is a security based modules. Also, this PC has a IBMC technologies. IBMC technology, that means is that if PC is installed at one location and if anything happen, OS crash or software crash, then remotely it will be forcefully shut down and shut up this PC. So this is a higher end edge configure PCs there. Apart from that, fanless PC, rack mount PC is also there. The two series of rack mount PCs are there, IPC 510 and 610. IPC 510 and 610 IPC is ideal. IPC 510 and 610 series is ideal that a type of applications when multiple IO cards or deck cards or LAN cards or any connectivities are required, then it is a very ideal PCs. For example, in vision application, if any customers required 10 cameras, 12 cameras, multiple serial connectivities, high-end graphic cards like 4 GB, 8 GB, 18 GB, 16 GB, 24 GB, deep learning applications, AI based applications, then this PC is ideal for this type of applications. Apart from this, one is GPU based high end server PC is also available in Advantech. That is HPC 7442 and HPC 8424 series. In HPC 7442 and 8424 series, the main functionality is there. It is a remote management. IDOR kits are available on front side of a chassis, so we can monitor the healthy condition of the PC like temperature, humidity, power supply indications, hard disk indications. Either is a running, fail. We can connect up to 8 hard disks in single server PCs. This PC can also support redundant power supplies. This PC can support up to 24 GB GPU modules. So this PC is ideal when vision-based application and AI-based deep learning applications are there, when high-end graphic cards are required and high-end systems and multiple connectivities are required, then this type of GPU-based server PCs are ideal. Now, apart from rack mount PC and embedded PC, we have panel PC, just look like an HMI. In that, we have two type of series available in our basket. One is a PPC series and one is a TPC. In both series, we have fan base and fanless. Both type of panel PCs we have our in basket. The screen size starting from panel PC is 7 inch to 27 inch. Based on customer applications and configuration, there are multiple models are there. The processors, it will be support up to Atom 2, Atom, Celeron, Intel Core i3, i5, i7, i9, and few model also support Xeon processor also. In that PCs, multiple IO connectivity we can connect serial COM port, Ethernet COM port, Profinet, Profibus. There are multiple type of IO connectivity we can connect. Even in fan-based PCs, we have some PCI and PCI Express slots are there. So if any customer required high-speed data acquisition card or any connectivity, additional connectivity inside the panel PC, that is also possible in this system. Our fanless PC and fan-based PC come with a two type of touch screens. One is a resistive touch screen and one is a capacitive touch screen. Other models is industrial grade monitors. We have FPN series is there. 7 inch to 21 inch industrial grade monitors we have. In this type of vision applications and factory solutions, instead of commercial PC, why people are choose for industrial grade PCs? The first one is a reliability. Second, high end temperature. Third, high vibrations levels because it will be run 24 by 7. Higher connectivity like serial COM port, Ethernet port, PCI slot, PCI Express slot. High end graphic cards we can install inside this. Durability and continuity. One of the major constraint for end users or end plants is a continuity. Because if any in industrial grade PC any model launched, it will be continuing up to 7 to 10 years. Either Intel has absolute this chipset or not, but Advantech have a tie-up with Intel and all that. After discontinuity of the chipset, it will be support up to 3 years. So if any model or any generation of IPC will be launched by Advantech, it will be support up to 7 years. Sometimes it will be more than 7 years. So if customers using or any panel builders or any machine OEM using IPC, they will get the continuity if the generation will be changed, but it will be not affecting. If generation will be changed, the new model they will launch. If customer either they can move forward to next generation PCs, either the same PC they can continue. So one of the main benefits of this industrial PC is also there. Apart from that, we have a frame grabber card, 2 port, 4 port, 8 port, geek based, normal LAN based or PoE based, PCI Express based frame grabber card. If any high speed applications are there and it's more than cameras, multiple cameras they want to connect in PCs, either commercial, either industrial grade PCs, then it is possible via frame grabber card. Apart from that, high-end application like GPU and AI-based applications, deep learning applications, vision-based applications, they need high-end graphic cards. So we have RTX series 3060, 7080, 4047, 48, 4000, 5000, 8 GB, 12 GB, 16 GB, 24 GB graphic card. And that will be useful for AI-based and deep learning vision-based applications. Other products, networking, which are the products which will be utilized for machine vision applications are protocol converters. We have Moxa brand of protocol converters, serial to Modbus TCP/IP. So we have protocol converters in our basket. That Modbus TCP/IP to serial connectivity, Ethernet IP, CAN open, that type of protocol converters we have. High-end multiple serial connectivity we have for 2 port, 4 port, 8 port, 16 port, PCI and PCI Express based serial connectivity RS232, 422, 485 PCI cards are there. We have Ethernet switch, unmanaged, managed, layer 2, layer 3, 5 port, 8 port, 16 port, 24 port, fiber switches. There are multiple type of switches we have in our baskets. We have some remote IO modules in our baskets. Modbus RS485 based, Ethernet IP and Profinet based remote IO modules are there. DIDO, AI, multifunction remote IO modules are there. If any applications are there, then PLC is not required. Only some IOs we have to monitor. Then this type of remote IO modules is useful. In remote IO modules, Modbus TCP/IP, we have 2 ports. If any customers want looping or anything, so it is also possible for redundancy applications. So remote IO that models we have a 2 Modbus TCP/IP ports are there. Now other products is data acquisition card. We have high speed data acquisition card. There are 3 types of data acquisition card are there: USB based, PCI based, and PCI Express based. USB data acquisition card communicate on USB port USB 2.0 and USB 3.0. And PCI and PCI Express slot data acquisition card, it will be mounted on a motherboard. Our data acquisition card, the starting range, the AI maximum AI will be 64 channel in single card is available. 12 bits, 16 bit, 24 bits are there, and sampling speed is 10,000 K to 13 million sample per second. This type of high speed applications application when the PLC is not capable to capture the high speed sampling in millisecond or microsecond applications are there, then this type of high speed data acquisition cards are used. We have AO that will be support up to 32 channel in single card, 32 bits, 14 bits, 16 bit and resolutions are there. 30K to 1 millisample per second sampling size is available. DIDO is isolated, non-isolated, both are available. In single card, up to 128 channel, digital input or digital output or both available in data acquisitions card. So high speed application or any multiple card applications are there. This type of data acquisition card is useful. Data acquisition card is very useful for automotive and defense and this type of applications. When high speed applications are there and within few seconds any cycle will be completed, and high speed application in LabVIEW or VB or any this type of customized software, any reporting or any applications are required, then deck cards are used. Apart from this hardware portion, we have software. Advantech makes SCADA is there. It is 100% web based. There are multiple protocols and drivers are inbuilt. More than 200 plus PLCs and other drivers are preloaded like Siemens, Aaron Bedley, Snyder's, Omron, Advantech, Delta. Multiple brands PLCs are preloaded are there. Mitsubishi. So directly it will be configured with our web access SCADA, multiple protocol, BACnet, Modbus TCP/IP. It will be support OPC UA. HTML5 dashboard is available. Alarm management is are there. Scheduling functions are there. SQL database connectivities are there. If any redundancies are required, then it is also possible. Multiple reports are possible. Excel report, SVCS report are possible. Trend analysis are there. And if any user management are required, that is also possible. In our SCADA, more than 1,000 client view is preloaded. If any applications are there, then customers require multiple client view or anything, that is also possible. Our SCADA has Android and Apple applications are available. If anyone monitor the SCADA via mobile or anything or anywhere else via static IP, it is also possible. The same screens and all that they can monitor. Also, our SCADA is we can also two type of SCADA is available. One is a hard key and second one is a soft key. Soft key will, if any customers require their cloud based solutions or anything, so our SCADA will be also installed in cloud and they can monitor their application or their servers or anything. Now we can focus on second portions. Which are the applications area we have to focus? First one is an automotive and EV segments. All automotive plants or EV plants, they require machine vision or iFactory, they require this industrial computing and networking products. Any applications, it is necessary. If any PC-based solutions are required, industrial PCs and networking products are required. Any machine OEM that making the machines for automotive and EV, for test bench or assembly line machines or any machines or engine testing machines or tire testing machines or any type of component testing machines or imaging machines, they need industrial grade PC in this type of applications. Second segment is semiconductor. In semiconductor industries, for image processing application and deep AI and learning application, it is necessary for industrial grade PCs and high-end embedded PCs. We have supplied multiple servers and IPCs and embedded PC in semiconductor industries, and now semiconductor industries is boosting in India in next couple of years. The quantity and the segments, it very increasing. The volume of this segment from industrial computing and networking. Multiple brands are coming for this segment. Metal processing applications and metal industries, they need for industrial rack mount PCs for their applications. For laser marking applications, they require. In pharma industries, they require for tablet imaging processing, OCR applications, and many more applications. They require industrial grade PCs, networking products, softwares, vision embedded systems, remote IO modules, and serial connectivities. Machinery and SPNs, they also require this type of products. Other segment is PCB manufacturing. Now Indian government is focusing for Make in India policies, and many more companies are coming in India for assembly, for their parts and all that. Now government is implementing, if any MNC company they want to sell their laptops, tablets, PCs, industrial grade or commercial grade, anything in India, either they have to assemble their plant in India, either they have to manufacturing in sector. Either they will have to tie up with multiple companies that will be third party companies, they will assemble in behalf of their company. So there are multiple companies like Dell, HP, Lenovo, they have tie up with many more Indian company. They will manufacture that PCB. In every PCB manufacturing applications, they require this industrial grade PCs. Next application is food and beverages. In food and beverages, there are FMCG and food and beverages. There are multiple customers are like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, beer plants are there. They require in bottle packaging and OCR applications. They require industrial grade PCs. Third one is a paper and pulp applications. They require remote IO modules and Ethernet switches for this application and SCADA systems for their applications. Now we will move forward to third portions. Few application we will showcase you. We have done with this our Advantech product. First one is a cartoon labeling, printing and inspection applications. These applications cover four parts. First one is a cartoon label and printing from Excel, label serial number verification, scratch sticker applicator, scratch sticker verifications. In these applications, we have used our vision inspection industrial grade fanless box PCs AIIS 3400P. Apart, along with this box PC, we have connecting our industrial grade monitors. And inside these monitors, we have installed an IPC. We have installed our Lubi software which is based on LabVIEW base. In these applications, we have used two cameras for inspection applications. Camera will be communicated on Modbus TCP/IP. That camera will be connected on this our vision-based box PC. The application controlled by a software. The whole application will be controlled by a software. Our live data will be analysis in software. In software, batch-wise report and time is available. Excel, PDF, report generations are there. So this is a basic applications in every industry, like pharma industries, automotive industries, all industries. These type of cartoon labeling, printing inspections are required. Second applications is a car testing durability. In that testing, here we are designed to quality. We have to check the quality and durability of automobile seats when it move forward and reverse in standard load. So in that applications, we have used our rack mount PCs, our deck cars, that is a 4-axis stepper motor and servo motor based deck cars, DIDO based deck cars. Two deck cars we have utilized in this application, and inside this we have used our LabVIEW software. So by using these applications, we have controlling and checking the durability of this seat moving forward and reverse. This car testing applications, it will applicable in all automotive industries like Maruti, Hyundai, Kia, Mahindra, or their system vendors. They are making the parts for their these companies. They also require this type of applications. They require this industrial PCs and desktop high-speed applications. They require this type of solutions. So any automobile components manufacturers, they need high-speed application. They need industrial grade PCs. Third one applications is a OCR applications. It is a deep learning applications are there. In these applications, we have used our Cognex cameras, and Cognex make deep learning software for their applications. Why deep learning applications need this high-end our servers? First of all, the character cannot be visually inspected by a human eye easily, and the high-speed applications like 80 products per minute. So we have using this Cognex make deep learning and AI software for these applications. For example, toothpaste. On toothpaste, some barcode characters are available and some markings are available are there. But physically, it is not easily inspected by a human eye. So high-end cameras and deep learning cameras are required. So that type of applications, high-end graphic cards and high-end servers are required. So in this type of applications, we have used our 12 GB RTX graphic card along with our Advantech Moxa servers, along with our Cognex Moxa cameras and their softwares. In this GPU-based servers, multiple IoT connectivity is available like 6 LAN ports, 8 USB ports, up to 128 GB RAM support available, 4 TB storage are available, and it is a dust-proof, vibration and high-end temperature solutions. Apart from the deep learning OCR application, general OCR applications are available. In that applications, we are using our fanless box PC Uno 348 along with our monitors, 15-inch touch monitors, and our Moxa make EDS 208 8-port 5-port unmanaged Ethernet switch. And inside this our software we are use our 21 CFR software. This is 21 CFR software we are used for pharma applications. In this application we have used our 4 Cognex vision camera for inspecting the communicating for inspection these products, which is communicating on Modbus TCP/IP. The application will be controlled by our software. Software verify the manufacturing date, expiry date, MRP, pouch seal on product is available or not, batch wise report, time wise report, and multiple alarm reports are available, and we are generating from our software. Excel, PDF format generating, we are reporting this software. Non-editable format, we are generating that reports and all that for 21 CFR applications are there. For any OCR applications like any product moving from conveyors. Okay, so in on conveyors, the cameras are available that will be inspect these products, and it will be verify the date, MRP and other items on the pouch, and then and this data will be high speed will be fetching by our Moxa switch and to our PC, and in PC our software we have installed. So any OCR applications in pharma, food and beverages or automotive, our industrial grade PCs, IPC, deck cards and software will be used. Now other applications for semiconductor applications for wafer inspections and this type of applications we have used our fanless embedded PCs, monitors and frame grabber card. So maximum by using this product, maximum productivity and flexibility efficiency we can increase. Other applications we have showcased that automotive part assembly line. In these applications, we have to collect all the station data to one central server. There are total 13 stations are there. Each and every stations we have to trace the parts, efficiency of the product and of the stations. All required stations will be parameter details save and date wise and time wise, and it will be generate the reports of date wise and all that. In this application, we have used our Moxa Mesh Ethernet switch, and at central level, we have used our fanless PCs. Inside this PC, we have installed our 21 CFR and LabVIEW based software inside this. In these applications, we have used our Delta PLC, Delta HMI that will be connected with our Cognex scanner. That scanner will be data we will taking from scanner to our Moxa Mesh Ethernet switch, and that switch connected to our centrally PC. And all the stations data we will cover through assembly line and generate the reports and all that. Other applications for IoT applications we have done for automotive parts testing application for vision applications. In that applications, there are total 15 lines are there. Each line have 5 to 7 stations. So any child parts moving from one station to other station, we will collecting the data from that, and we will throw data on the clouds as well as the servers, and OE and all things are we have calculated for factory 4.0 and all that. In that software, what we have covered like batch code, child barcode for individual station, line efficiency, live data monitoring, tool calibration, tool life, traceability, online SPC, production data like production like shift wise production, day wise production, line wise production, summary report, alarm, user management. User management means multiple user management are there. Manager can access uh, 8 to 10 parameters, 8 to 10 screens. The supervisor only access 4 screens. Admin can access all the system. So we have via AI and all things for data, we have generating OE and this type of applications we have done in lots of automotive applications. Apart from other applications, we are showcasing you that some other applications like vehicle stock observer of automatic test system. In that we have used our MIC embedded PC along with our deck cards, and we have by using our LabVIEW software, we are measuring the vehicle shock observer via our software. Third one is a auto brake testing application. In brake testing application, we have used our tower-based PCs along with our deck cards, high-speed deck cards and LabVIEW software. We are using, we are creating reports and all that, trends and all that. Few other applications are there: tire 40 performance applications, vision inspection, tire thread inspections, packaging inspections. So multiple applications are there. In that applications, we can use our that IPCs, networking products. Even along with this vision applications, we are using our Cognex mix cameras and all that. In production line testing applications for IoT applications, our embedded PCs, remote IOs, SCADA softwares that will be used inside this application. Any vehicle body testing applications are there. In that we have using our CAN-based cards along with our server grade PCs and fanless touch PCs are available. PCB manufacturing application and IoT application, we have used our wireless remote IO modules inside these applications. So this is our company network. We have all over India 12 branches. All in South regions we have 4 branch in Coimbatore, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad. West region we have 2. Delhi we have 1 in North, Ludhiana, and East region we have in Kolkata. So any after sales service supports or anything are required, it is also possible. Now, if you have any query, you can ask me now. What is the highest processor generation we can have at present? At present, we have up to 56 core Xeon processor based systems available with us. We have high-end servers. In single server, they can use up to 4 processor in single servers, Xeon based in these systems. That will be support server OS like 2016, 19, 21, 22. And generations, if we go with a generation in Intel i3, i5, i7 up to 13 generation based PCs available, and in Xeon up to generation 4 scalable processor are available. Now anyone any other doubt? So now I think all query will be solved. So we will end this session. Thank you very much for joining with us.